Hey, so I just wanted to come on and talk about some things that have been going on. I feel like I've been so busy. So I'm in a new taping location, as you can see. It's because I finally got finished building this computer. I'll show you. Here is the monitor. Pay no attention to the junk on the desk. Anyway, yeah, I got this monitor for a deal at Best Buy. It's like $136 on sale, when it's normally like $200. So anyway, this is the new monitor, and this is the hard drive. I mean, not the hard drive, but the tower. I built, this tower and inspected out everything myself. The build cost about like $900 because I had to get a bigger power supply. So yeah, it just has the one LED light, and oh yeah, it has an MSI motherboard. MSI motherboard had problems, which is why it took me so long to finally finish the build. Compatibility issues with the graphics card. Graphics card is a 650 NVIDIA GeForce GTX 650. So yeah, that's what that is, and so hopefully it will improve the video quality. So next on the list I want to talk about is my graduation dress. And after about a week of trying to figure out what graduation dress I wanted to do, I decided on this pattern. I have like 3 different patterns, but I decided that I wanted this one. And I am making this view. So I wanted to make this one, but that one requires almost 6 yards of fabric. Like, this is what the fabric looks like. It has the scallop edge. So this is the outside of the fabric. The inside, rather. That's the wrong side. I want to show there. So that's what the fabric looks like. I bought this fabric probably 12 years ago. Never used it. I forgot what I bought this fabric for. I can use it for my graduation dress. I was into soap making. So I was using black soap for the past year or so, and I recently, maybe a couple months ago, or sooner than that, I ran out of it and couldn't acquire just black soap in bulk. So I started looking for alternatives, and I discovered a health food store about a mile away from here, and I bought this soap bar, like a shampoo bar, because I wanted to try shampoo bars, because it's just, shampoo is kind of, I don't buy shampoo that often, but I do find it to be stripping. And was that the Shimmer Light shampoo to correct the bronze in my hair? That's even worse. And even on a daily basis, I've been using what is that, neutralizing shampoo, just because I don't want to buy any more other shampoos. So I felt like shampoos in general were really stripping, and I read online about women who use these shampoo bars and don't even need to use a conditioner. And I had been conditioning my hair with black soap, and it worked okay, but I don't think black soap was gentle enough for me to be able to go without conditioner. Soap bar looks like. It has the scent of sweet berries. Less. And I liked it. It left my hair really soft. I didn't use conditioner after I used it. I don't think I needed the conditioner after it, but it still left my hair with like a kind of squeaky feeling. If you've washed your hair with black soap before, you know what I'm talking about. Like, it feels soft and conditioned and clean, but there's like a squeaky kind of feeling to your hair. It didn't bother me so much, but it's not something that I can like detangle my hair with really well, because with using the shampoo bar and with the black soap bars, I will usually have to detangle my hair with the shampoo in it. So I went online and found all these recipes for making soap yourself, and then ran across a recipe to make conditioning shampoo bars. And a lot of people make these, say, you know, I really don't feel like I have to use conditioner. Trying to end my conditioner dependency. Because if my thing was, okay, if conditioner has enough cleansing power for you to be able to do condition only, then what is that? I have huge problems with conditioner just all around. But anyway, so I found a recipe, used it. Well, I used the oils that this person did, that they use, but I adapted it and, you know, made my own little mold for the soap out of a DVD box. And this was the soap that I made. I think it was like 2 pounds of soap, thereabouts. And so here it is. It's nothing pretty because this was my first batch of soap, my first venture into it. So I didn't really know what I was doing, but I can tell you, oh, it smells so good. I used tea tree oil, lavender oil, and jasmine absolute, and it smells like heaven. Heaven. I'll show you. Some of my bars of soap got what they call soda ash on it. But that's fine. I'm the only one using the shampoo bar anyway, besides my family. But wow, it smells amazing. Like 12 shampoo bars, about the same amount of ounces. I think. No, that's impossible. But anyway, so I washed my hair with my shampoo bar, was it on a couple days ago, and my hair was the softest and most moisturized that's ever been. I got out of the shower, touched my hair, and legitimately felt like I did not need to deep condition or condition at all. And let's see, like 3 days later, you can see my hair. It's pretty shiny. It's still soft. I washed my hair in twists and then, you know, dried it. And the next day after that, I took it down. I used Shea Moisture's Curling Souffle because I do love that product. But I have no complaints about the shampoo bar that I made, so I won't even be making shampoo anymore. I mean, I won't be buying shampoo anymore. I don't think I'll be buying conditioner either. Since I do have to do color correcting with shimmer lights anyway, I think that will take care of any buildup I might get from using this lye-based soap. But yeah, other than that, I can't even imagine buying that. The shimmer lights will probably be the only shampoo I ever buy again. And I mean, I've been thinking about just dyeing my blonde highlights down to black, or something. My hair is dark brown, but I've been thinking about just dyeing it black. And after that, I won't even need the Shimmer Light shampoo. So, as soon I'm gonna make a Castile soap, which is just with olive oil and lime, and see how that works. But yeah, I mean, I'm really enjoying the Shea Moisture Curling Souffle. Combined with my shampoo, my hair is really soft. You can see it has movement. It's frizzy, but my hair is fine, so frizz is just part of the territory. Yeah, and so that's it.